Okay, so today topic is that is the apiculture. In apiculture, we have already talked about biology, seasonal, and different caste, importance of beneficial insect. We have completed. Then next is disease and natural enemies of honeybees. So disease means that is caused by the fungus, bacteria, virus, and protozoa. And natural enemies means some insect also attacking this honeybees. Many type of insect is there. They are attacking on the honeybees. So we will start from diseases in which bacterial diseases is the important. Then first is American fall brood. Two brood is there. One is American fall brood, another is European fall brood. Two bacterial diseases major problem to your honeybees. So what is the this disease American fall brood found in temperate and subtropical region of the world, and it's originated from America. That's why name is American fall brood, and is possibly the most destructive microbial disease affecting bee brood. That is the damaging to the bee brood, not adult. The disease not originated in nor it confirmed the Americas. It is widely distributed where colony of Apis mellifera is kept. So it is the important disease of Apis mellifera, but Indian bee is the less infected by this disease. So who is causing agent of this disease is bacteria Penibacillus, which only affect brood. Bee brood, adult bee are safe from the infection. So it is the totally brood, that is immature stages of your honeybee, that is damaged by this disease. So what is the control measures? Antibiotic and sulfamides prevent the multiplication of this disease. So this is the about American fall brood. Then next bacterial disease is European fall brood, EFB. Many times this also question coming short name. You elaborate the name of EFB. So that is the European fall brood, and AFB, American fall brood. So its range also it's found in European. This is not confined to Europe alone, but it is also found where Apis mellifera is there. Reported from India, also a colony, Apis serena, also subjected to infection by European fall brood. And the pathogen of this disease is caused by Melingococcus pluton. It is the laciniate shape and occurs singly in chain of varying length and cluster. And honeybee larvae killed by European fall brood are younger than those killed by the bee. So this is also important. We have also bold this sentence because it is also causing more younger broods, not older. So this is also important, and a sure odor can be detected from decaying larvae, and the clinical picture and odor depending on the bacteria involved, the bacillus and streptomycin, but important is Melingococcus is the major. Then another is fungal diseases. So in this chalk brood disease is the important, and it's found in Asia and rarely considered to seriously honeybees. And chalk brood is a disease caused by which fungus? Ascosphaera apis. That is the one causal organism that causing the fungal disease of chalk brood disease. And initially the dead larvae swell to size of cell and are covered with whitish mycelia of the fungus. The beekeeper can stimulate the hygiene behavior of the bees by changing the brood rearing condition. Then another is stone brood. You contact na sir? तुम तो एक दो दिन से आके काम कर लो और अपने हॉस्टल को भी चेक कर लो. ओके सर. मॉर्निंग में. ओके ओके देख लो. यू गो. Okay, next disease is fungal disease, that is the stone brood. It's caused by Aspergillus fumigans, Aspergillus clavipus, Aspergillus niger, and it causes mummification of the brood of the honeybee colonies. Mummified means they make the round type and kill to the larvae or this grub of these honeybees. And in this stage, the larvae are covered with the powdery fungal spores. Works be clean out an infected brood, and Hue may be recovered depending on the factors such as strength of colony and level of infection, and hygienic is also important for controlling this disease. Then next disease is viral disease. Viral disease also important and very dangerous, and no any control measures is also there any viral. So sac brood disease is the important, and it's caused by Monitor atotas. And in Asia, at least two major types has been recorded. That is sac brood disease that affect the common honeybee Apis mellifera, and sac brood disease of Asian Hive Apis cerana. So two type strain is there in India, and a new type of sac brood virus also recently reported in Asian colony of our Indian bee, that is Apis cerana. An anterior section of larva consists of his head, thorax, his body to change color, then changing from white to pale yellow, and finally to dark brown and black. And dead larvae remain within their cell, eventually dry out to the flat scales. That is the some symptoms of this sac brood disease. Then next viral disease is acute bee paralysis virus, or short name is ABPV or APV. It is considered to be common infected agent of bees. It frequently, it's most probably attack on the colony infected with the parasitic mite that is also infected by these viral diseases. This is also important. Then next is Israeli acute paralysis virus, and it's related to virus, and it is found in 2004, is known as Israeli acute paralysis. And name is after place where it is first identified, and its place origin is unknown. So this is the important, and in September the marker associated with colony collapse disease also suggested. Then next viral disease is Kashmir bee virus, KBV. This is another dystroph related to preceding virus, and recently discovered KBV is currently only positive identified by a laboratory test. Little is known about yet. It is not important disease. Then another is Kakungu virus disease, also important. Research that varroa might mediate KBV prevalence, means it is mediated by your mite. Mite is the major problem in most of the colonies. So this is the mediator for this Kakugo virus. Then next important disease is protozoan disease, and many times this question also coming, who is causing the disease Nozema disease, that is caused by the protozoa. So this is also important, and Nozema disease is regarded as one of the most destructive disease of adult bees, because it is attacking on the adult and affecting to the worker, queen, drone alike. Or most of the diseases like your fall brood, American and European, that is attacking on the brood. But this protozoan disease attack on the adult of the bees. This is also important. And the disease caused by the protozoa, that is name is Nozema apis, which is 5 to 7 centimeters for infecting the bees. And effective control measures is chemotherapeutic method currently available for treating Nozema is to feed the colony with fumagillin, one that is available chemical. Then 25 mg active ingredient per liter of sugar syrup, preferably at the time when the colony is likely to encounter stress conditions such as during long winter or rainy season. This is the causing measure to the honeybee colonies. So another is colony collapse disorder. This is another disease and is poorly understand phenomena in which worker bee from a beehive or western honeybees colony abruptly disappear, And CTD was originally found in Western honeybee colony in North America in late of 2016. So who is causing that is I don't know, but this is also important disease in foreign countries. Then another is mite. It's a natural enemy, and it is also important disease. Your natural enemy of your honeybee, and it's a native parasite of the your Apis cerana, and it's found throughout the Asia. Occasionally is occurring in Apis mellifera, but more attacking on your Indian bee. So this is also important. Most of the diseases is caused to the Apis mellifera, but this mite or natural enemy is that is caused to the major causing to the your Indian bee, not to the Apis mellifera. And Varroa destructor is the scientific name of this mite, and it confused with the Varroa Jacobsoni is acute larger as compared with the mite species and can be seen with the unaided eyes. So what is the control measures? Formic acid, ethyl oil, methanol and synthetic pyrethroid amitraz may be used for this controlling this mite. Then next mite is Trophelopsis mite. It is also another mite that are taking to the your giant beech Apis dorsata that is found in the tropical Asia, and it's much smaller than the Varroa mite. It's also important character. Trophelopsis mite is much smaller than the Varroa mite, and is the size also is like whole shape and 0.96 mm in length and 0.55 mm in width, and abdomen of bee survive mite are taking a reduce in size, and they shorten life cycle of the bees. So this is the causing symptoms, and infested colony bee deformed wing can be observed. This is also important. Then next is tracheal mite. Another mite is tracheal that are taking on the trachea of the bees. So this is the scientific name of tracheal mite is Acaripus woodi, and it impaired the tracheal system of the adult. This question also many times is coming. Who is causing the tracheal system of honeybee? That is by Acaripus woodi, and its attack on adult, queen, worker, drone, all are susceptible to this tracheal mite, and it first reported in Apis mellifera colony in Europe in 1921, and it is a extended damage causing honeybee colony varied, and it's reported from India, Pakistan that tracheal might cause severe loss of Apis cerana colonies. So it is also causing to your Indian bee also. And what is the control measures? Formic acid produce good result for controlling these. Then crystal methanol also you can use. Thymol also is a chemical that can be used for this controlling. Then another is insect, that is the mite. Three mite is there that is causing to the honeybees, and another is some insect also there that attacking on the honeybees. That is first is small hive beetle, and scientific name is Athena tumida, and it's found in Africa, Sahara region. Then it's first appeared in southern United States of America 1998, and he's continued to the Canada, and it's also found in Australia, and it's eating canal. They form eating canal and destroy the cell caps, and honey started to fermentate. And beetle larvae and phases also change the color and taste of the honey and form appearance mucilaginous. So this is the causing symptoms of this insect. The next insect is greater wax moth, that is Galleria melonica. This is another insect that causing to the your honeybees, and its colony to produce the tropical and subtropical Asia, and newly hatched larvae of this Galleria melonica feed on honey, pollens, then burrow into the pollen storage, then outer edges of cell wall, extending their tunnels to midrib of comb. And when weak colony are infested, the symptoms of galerisis is frequently observed. Then what is the control measures? That fumigation is the control measures for this controlling, like fumigate through naphthalene, ethylene dibromide or methyl bromide. Then next insect is laser wax moth. That is greater wax moth. That is the laser wax moth. Azuroia grisella is also another, and is the generally smaller than the greater wax moth. That's why name is also same, laser and greater, because size is depend on both species are different. Then adult of Aquila grisella are silvery gray in color with distinct yellow head. Infestation by laser wax moth usually occur in weak colonies, and larvae prefer to feed on the dark comb with pollen or brood cells. They often found on the bottom, board among the wax debris. So this is the causing symptoms of your laser wax moth. Then next topic is product of honeybees. How many product of honeybees? We have already told many product of honeybee is there. So in this, first is honey, second is wax, third is propolis, then venom, then royal jelly. These are the some product of honeybees that is useful for medicinal as well as your diet, food. Also use of this all product of this. And medicinal value, you know, venom is also important medicinal value. Many diseases are controlled by bee venom. So these are the some 4 5 product of honeybees there, in which first is honey. Honey is prepared by uniflorer or monoflorer. Means if you are searching only one plant, that is uniflorer. If you are searching many plants, that is multiflorer. So this is also depend upon honey. Also honey quality also depend upon the floral quality. If your flora is medicinal value, then your honey also important. If your flora is your different type, then honey also same taste is coming from the plant. So this is also important. Then what is the content of this honey? This is also important. Ripened honey is water. Then your 20 to 21% is water. Then levulose means fructose is important, that is around 41%. Then dextrose 35%, and sucrose. This question also many times is coming. How many percent of sucrose is available in your honey? So that is 1.9%. This question is coming many times. Though, what is the use of honey? It is culturally evidence and found in use for food, source and symbol employed in religious and magic and therapeutic values also there. And 10% of the production is usually industries, mainly Ayurveda preparation, pharmaceutical, many tobacco industries that using of this your honeys. So recently scientific study human reported to slow down the oxidation of LDL, low density lipoprotein, and check the atherosclerotic plaque deposition in the blood vessels. And it is also potential dietary of antioxidant. Antioxidant is also high, and you know, red honey, that is also important, and many medicinal value is there. That's why market value of this red honey is also high. If you see, go to Nepal, Bhutan, or Arunachal area, that is the available of this red honey, and its important value, and around 3,000 per kg is the rate of this honey. So next is bee wax. Bee wax is another product of honeybees, and it's very good, and many product of value is there in this metabolic product of honeybee. And worker bee is producing less than 2 weeks of age, producing the wax and synthesizing into the fat body. Then highly complex mixture of hydrocarbon esters of monohydric alcohol combined with straight chain fat acid and hydroxy acid. What is the content of bee wax? So this is also important, that is having the hydrocarbon and ester of monohydric alcohol. And then total unsaponical matter is about 58% in both Indian and European bee wax. And what is the use of this? It's consumed by beekeepers for making of wax foundation, and which are given to the bees as a guide for construction of their comb. and is also useful for candle, metal casting and modeling because due to its plasticity value is there. So many product is making by this wax. Then next is royal jelly. Royal jelly also important product of your honeybees. It's especially liquid food is there and rich in protein, means highest protein is there, hormone, vitamin, and it's secreted by the hypopharyngeal gland of the younger workers. So this is also important, which produce the royal jelly, which part, which gland is producing the royal jelly, that is the hypopharyngeal gland is there, or that is only found in worker bees. They producing the royal jelly, and it's partially soluble in water, and it is acidic, and about 2/3 of it water. It's containing 2/3 of the water, and protein contains 73.9%, sugar also largest fraction, and 29 amino acid also found in this royal jelly. What is the use of royal jelly? First is spectacular fertility and long lifespan of the queen. You know, worker bee only 40 to 45 days life cycle life is there, and drone also same there. But you see the queen, that is having around 2 to 3 years lifespan of the adult of the queen. So this is also important. They increasing the lifespan of the queen. So that's why that is also important. Then another huge ingredient in medicinal like product, and usually mixed with medicine, tonic, behavior and cosmetic products. On production of sometimes is freeze dried also using. And next is pollen. Pollen also important, and in India, rock bee collect an enormous quantity of pollens, and after harvest from bee colonies, pollen load are carefully air dried and fresh frozen for preservation and packing airtight glasses. Because if you are collecting your pollen when death period is coming of your honey, that time you using this pollen. And another is today is a food supplement, and tribal eat the comb pollens while harvesting the honey, and pollen used as a medicinal treatment like many diseases like chronic prostatitis, bleeding stomach, ulcers, respiratory infections, and control to the allergy reaction. And pollen has only recently included in some cosmetic preparation which claim to regeneration and nursing effect of the skin. Skin also, many diseases of skin is there that is controlled by this pollen substitute. So this is also important. Then next and last is venom. Venom is also important, and it's clear and odorless, and water liquid is there, and it's produced by two glands associated with the sting apparatus of worker bees. It is found in the worker bees. Sting is involved from ovipositor and reproduce increased during the first 2 weeks of adult work life, and reach maximum when the worker bees become involved in heavy defense and foraging. When defending any natural enemies and any persons, that time they releasing the maximum venom. And 88% of the venom is water, and glucose, fructose, phospholipid is also there. Then what is the use of bee venom? Bee venom is have long been used in traditionally medicinally for treatment of various kind of meditation, and it also like arthritis disease, chronic pain, then epilepsy, then rhinogenesis, then polyneuropathy and neuralgia. Many diseases there that is controlled by this bee venom. So it is also important for medicinal, and many diseases controlled by this venom. Then next is social behavior of honeybee, because honeybee is the social insect that having many type of social behavior is there. So in which first is swarming and colony reproduction. You know, swarming is the important, and many problem is there in your Indian bee and your rock bee also. You see in winter area that is coming in lowland area, low your in this your building and other area, and in summer that going to the hilly areas. So this is also important for rock bee, they swarming. And another is Why using swarming? For reproduction, and colony migrate to new site to produce a new colony. That's why they using the swarming. When food is available, plenty, worker bee take activity that result in colony production and build drone cell in which the queen lay and fertilize eggs. So this is also important. Then another is floral fidelity. Means a bee visits same species of plant for pollen or nectar until exhausted. Means they going to only one place, only one plant. So this is the floral fidelity of the honeybees, and it's travel 2 to 3 kilometers for collecting the pollen as well as nectar. So another is nursing and food sharing also important. They sharing your food to another caste. So this is also important. Young worker bee normally attend to the duties of nursing and feeding. They can detect the young or old larvae and feed them accordingly with royal jelly, with bee breed and mixture of pollen and honeybees, and we consume pollen and nectar or honey, and royal jelly is fed to the younger larvae that producing the your queen. This is also important. So nursing and food sharing also important character of this honeybees. Then queen retinue also important. A group of house bees form a circle around the queens, attend it feeding, cleaning, and assist her in egg laying. So this is also important character of the social insect. Then next is supersedure. Supersedure means queen replacement without colony division. Many times your queen is old and then replaced by the another. So this is also important character that is known as supersedure. A failing queen who unable to lay as many eggs as required, so who begin to run out this spermatozoa and lay a high proportion of male eggs, which need to supersede by the supersedure queen. And the worker bee are induced to build the supersedure cell, which are 2 to 3 large queen cells in middle of the nest, unlike a dozen of comparative. So this is also important. If your colony is strong and your queen also strong, if you are many times, this is also producing the queen cells. So if your bee colony, yeah, your queen is good, then you remove the queen cells. This is also important for controlling your swarming. So another is emergency queen is also there. This is another character of in social insect. Absence of queen substance due to death of queen, the worker are stimulated to get same producing a emergency queen. So this is also important. And the egg larvae less than 2.5 days old in worker cells, which are still being fed on abundance of brood and food are selected, and the cell is increasing and producing the emergency queen. Many times queen is killed by many factors. That's why emergency queen is developed by the workers. This is also important character. Then absent in a migration is also important. Many times that is remove the one place your comb and going to another places. Then another important character is bee dance. We have already told who is giving the bee dance or communication dance. That is who is this scientist. That is the Carl von Fries. That is the scientist in 1946. They received the Nobel Prize for this dancing. Okay, that is first found by this scientist. That's why name is. And they return the high. What is bee dance? They go out the first to find out the new sources of food material, all called search or scout bees. They return to the hive and communicate message to young foraging bee by means of defining pattern of dancing is called bee dances. That is totally dance given by the when first time worker 1 or 2 is going to outside where is food is available. So for searching after that, they coming again to colony and they dancing for this area is sufficient and this area is good for your food availability. So that is known as bee dance. So who is this is the scout bees open one gland is there. They are situated in the 5 to 6 abdominal tergite and odor emitted. They attract the other worker bee of the colony. So in these two type of dance is there. One is round dance and another is vector dance. So what is the round dance? When a scout bee find a plant within flower area, within flowers of 50-meter area, then making the round dance. If the availability of your flower and other host is more than 50 area or more than 100 area, they making the vector dance. So this is the difference between vector dance and the round dance, and that is the faster dance than close to the food. If your food is close, then they going to the faster dance. So this is the important and two type of dance, round dance and vector dance. And who is given? That is the one scientist, that is Colvin Prince. In 1946 they received the Nobel Prize also. So this is about the dance or your communication found in social insect. Okay. Any other question? Any problem? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Then yesterday I have already sent two practical. You make your practical record and send me as a your PDF in our group after 2 days. Okay. You make at your home. When you coming at here, that time you take, and just now within 2 days you send me in as a scan copy of this. You make a PDF through your mobile and send me. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.